In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to take a PDF, especially a fillable one, and turn it into a Word document you can freely edit, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're using Acrobat, not just the free reader, because the export features live in Acrobat. Once the file is open, look to the right-hand pane. You should see a set of tools there. If you don't see the option you need, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then All Tools. This view shows the full library, which is helpful if your workspace looks different or you've customized your shortcuts. From there, find and click Export a PDF. This is where Acrobat lets you choose the format you want to convert to. For this tutorial, we're converting a fillable PDF to Microsoft Word, which is ideal when you want to edit text, adjust formatting, or repurpose content. In the export options, choose Microsoft Word, then select Word Document and click Convert to DOSX. DOSX is the modern Word format and preserves the most formatting and structure. After you click, a new window will appear, prompting you to choose where to save the file. Pick a folder you'll remember, such as your project folder or desktop, so you don't lose track of it. It's a good idea to rename the exported file so you can tell it apart from the original PDF. Adding something like /word or a date can help with version control. When you're ready, hit Save. Acrobat will process the conversion. The time this takes depends on the complexity of the PDF. Documents with lots of images, tables, or unusual fonts may take a bit longer. Once it's done, you'll have a Docs version ready for editing. Keep in mind that fillable fields in a PDF don't stay fillable in Word. They usually become standard text or shapes. If you plan to keep form functionality, you'll need to rebuild form fields using Word's developer tools later. Also, if your original PDF was scanned, Acrobat may run text recognition to convert images of text into editable characters. This helps a lot, but you might still want to proofread headings, numbers, and special characters. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, go to Export a PDF via the right pane or Tools, choose Word, click Convert to DOSX, pick your save location, rename the file, and save. With these steps, you can quickly move from a static PDF to a flexible Word document and get right into editing.